Introduction to Organizing Cross-Functional Projects in ClickUp.
Managing projects across multiple departments can be challenging. ClickUp offers powerful tools to improve collaboration and keep everyone aligned. By structuring spaces and folders thoughtfully, you can streamline communication, clarify responsibilities, and ensure project success. Let's explore the practical steps for setting up ClickUp to support effective cross-functional teamwork.
Start with dedicated spaces for each department or function.
Begin by creating separate spaces in ClickUp representing each major department or function involved in your projects. For example, you might have spaces for marketing, product, or support. This separation gives each team a home base, helping to organize tasks, documents, and discussions relevant to their specific roles and responsibilities.
Use folders to represent projects or initiatives.
Within each space, create folders for every project or cross-departmental initiative your teams are working on. For instance, the folder named Website Redesign could exist in both the marketing and development spaces, keeping project tasks organized but visible to relevant teams. This approach promotes collaboration while maintaining clear boundaries.
Set up lists and tasks for collaboration.
Inside each project folder, break work down further using lists for different stages or work streams, such as planning, execution, and review. Then add tasks that specify deliverables, deadlines, and assigned team members. Use task watchers, comments, and attachments to centralize communication and ensure everyone stays updated.
Make use of permissions and views to maintain clarity.
Leverage ClickUp's sharing and permission settings to control who can view or edit spaces, folders, and tasks. Customize task and project views, for example, a timeline for managers and a task list for team members. This keeps sensitive information secure and tailored for each group's needs while supporting overall transparency.
Maintain alignment with integrations and automation.
Integrate ClickUp with other essential tools like Slack, Google Drive, or Microsoft Teams to streamline notifications and file sharing. Set up automated reminders, status updates, and recurring tasks to reduce manual effort. These features help teams stay in sync and respond quickly to project changes or deadlines.
Conclusion: maximizing project clarity in ClickUp.
Thoughtful use of ClickUp spaces and folders can transform the way cross-functional teams collaborate. By structuring your workspace, defining clear boundaries, and enabling seamless communication, you ensure transparent workflows and successful outcomes. Use these steps to keep your next cross-departmental project organized and productive.